Hello everyone, Fariba here from watchknitting.com. This is the stitch tutorial I have for today. This is very popular these days, the way that you work the this pattern on different needles and yarns. It gives you different texture. This is with finer yarn and with 2.5 millimeter needles. This has been done with a little thicker than the other one and 3 millimeter needles. uh, the smaller needle size you choose, it has more defined lines. Also, this one I have worked, this is a pattern I'm working. I will put down the link down below. For this stitch tutorial, depending on which way you are working your purl stitches, you have to work the pattern row differently. Because of that, I'm gonna record two videos. One will be on Eastern style and one in Western style. For this stitch, you need to cast on a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2 for the edges. Here I have done 14 stitches and it's completed in 6 rows. I'm going to show both the continental style and English style holding. I'm not English neither, but I will try my best to show how you need to move your yarn. So row 1, 3 and 5 would be just purl stitches, and that will make it very easy to remember this pattern. Also, the pattern is just repeating one step all over the rows, but you need just adjust your rows as you work. So for purl stitches in Western style, we work this way. So I will purl across this row and I will be back. If I want to show in the English holding the way that you work, it will be wrapping the yarn around needle this way. So this is exactly how I work the beginning of the row. I'm gonna zoom a little bit here. Okay. Now we have edge stitches. I will pick up the edge stitch here, just slip the edge stitch. Next, we're gonna work over 3 stitches. For working on 3 stitches, I will start with a yarn over. Then for the next 2 stitches, we're gonna just twist them before doing anything. Just simply twist them one by one and then place it back on left needle. Now you have them as the leading leg at the back. Now we're gonna work through the back loop 2 together. When you work through the back loop 2 together, just pick up the second leg again and twist it one more time. Place it back on left needle. Now work these 2 together. Just the same way you work in Western style. Okay, this is the repeat that we're gonna work over and over. Yarn over one more time, yarn over, twist, twist, place it back and knit through the back loop. Before letting the leg go, just pick it up again and twist one more time and place it on left needle. And this time knit 2 together just simply as you do for standard. Repeat one more time, yarn over, twist, twist, knit 2 together through back loop. Again, pick up the second leg, twist it one more time, place it on left needle, and knit through the back loop. My last repeat here. and I have left one edge stitch here. I'm gonna knit it. So pay attention to work correct about the edge stitches, otherwise it's gonna be twisted. Now the purl row again, row 3, we're gonna just purl across this row. Okay, row 4, we're gonna repeat the same thing, except that we have to find which stitch we need to work the yarn over. So if you look at your stitches, you're gonna see you had one yarn over here. This is the loop, the opening here. Then we have two knit stitches, and again, the repeat starts again from here. So the next yarn over, I mean the yarn over in the row 4 will be between these two knit stitches. For that, we need to slip the edge stitch, then knit two stitches at the beginning of the row, just normal knit stitches, and then start the pattern from here again. So I slip my edge stitch, knit two stitches, that offsets the row. And again, when you are at this point, if you see you have one knit, one yarn over, one knit, we're gonna start the repeat again at this point here. Yarn over, twist, twist, knit two together through back loop, pick up the second leg, twist one more time, and knit two together. Again, we're gonna repeat. So repeat always is the same thing, just you need to offset the row. That's the reason we have 6 rows to complete this pattern. Always we are doing the same thing, just you need to pay attention to the beginning of the row and end of the row. Here at the end of the row, I'm left with one stitch and then knit the edge stitch. So row 4, we had edge, 2 knit stitches here. We had edge, 1 knit stitch here because the combination is over 3. So again, my purl row, row 5. Here, row 6. Again, look at your stitches. As you can see, I have 2 knit stitches here, and then the yarn over is right here. So in this row, I will start the pattern right here. It means, okay, slip the edge stitch, knit one, and then make a yarn over, slip, slip, sorry, twist, twist, and knit through the back loop, twist again, and knit it. I'm gonna show when you are holding the yarn on the right hand. So when you are working English style, the only thing you need to do for the yarn over, you need just to bring the yarn to the front and then twist your stitches, knit them through the back loop. This way, when you are working your knit two together through back loop, this yarn over will be here. Again, pick the second leg, twist, and knit two together. Yarn is at the back already. Just one more time. For yarn over, you bring the yarn to the front, twist, twist, knit two together through back loop, twist one more time and knit two together. And for row 6, you end the row with knit two together. You don't have any edge or extra stitch to work. And we completed the 6 rows of the repeat. You're gonna repeat these 6 rows and you're gonna get this pattern here. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you are working Eastern style, you can watch my Eastern video. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day.